Lily has a question here. What is your favorite way, style or design to create covered pathways which are productive trellis opportunities without blocking or interfering with the pathway itself? Well, this has got to be one of the easiest arched systems. Doesn't block the pathway at all. It's over a swale footpath at the bottom of a kitchen garden, picking up the nutrient, growing bananas and sweet potato. Plus we've got passion fruit over here. Passion fruit, ripe. And we've got these crazy African cucumbers, which are all spiky, but nice and sweet inside and have all sorts of health benefits. Look like some kind of Roman weapon. And we've got chayote growing here as well, choco. It's just 2-inch irrigation pipe, 50 millimeters, jammed on a steel fence post, and it jams tight, forms an arc with a bit of recycled fencing wire strapped on here. So we've got chicken wire strapped on and wound up with a bit of fencing wire and a little bit of baling twine. So baling twine's holding it, a little bit of fencing wire, the wire netting from an old chicken pen, recycled 2-inch 50 mil pipe, star pickets, nice and strong. It's all recycled, real cheap, works fine. It's a beautiful system, and grow a lot of food on here. You could have pleached willows, but they'd have root zones at the base. You could have pleached mulberries with a companion of grapes over, but you still have the root zone down there. But you can do all that. They look lovely, but this is recycled and it's easy. Let's have a look at some of the security fence we're using as trellis and just basic bamboo and sheep netting. Here we have some security fencing that's used around construction sites. It's nice and solid. We've actually got the weights at the bottom that help it stand, so we can move all this around. This is really mobile, but we could tilt it over and join one to another to make a triangle hoop trellis or a triangle trellis over a path. It's very sturdy stuff. You can reuse it and reuse it. Got really strong wire, and we use it for trellising, but it can easily be put as a triangle tunnel trellis. Here we have a very simple trellis. It's just sheep netting with bamboo in and out to keep it secure. You can easily, again, you can make this into a triangle tunnel trellis with 2 of these locked together and wired up. Pretty simple, recycled and renewable as far as the bamboo is concerned.